Hi friends, let us discuss the verbal topic reading comprehension and decision analysis. How do you extract a conclusion, an assumption, or inference, right? Assuming your assumption must be valid. Now, let us take an example. See here, the statement will be like this: India reached finals, right? This is a statement. Now, assumptions: India won with Pakistan in semi-finals. And second assumption, India have drawn with Pakistan in the semi-finals. Now, which assumptions are correct according to you? See here. First, we have to find out, in order to be final, there will be three things in a match. One is win, one is draw, and one is loss, right? Only if you lose the semi-finals, you cannot reach the final. You can reach final either by draw, either by win, but you have equal validity of the two assumptions. Now what are the assumptions? Either one or two. See, that is the way to think about the question, right? Critical reading, read each and every point perfectly, right? Let us start with some decision analysis questions. Okay, most experts feel that in spite of possessing all the technical skills required to be a batsman of the highest order, he is unlikely to be so due to lack requisite temperament. Find out the stress words in the passage. Stress words: he was guilty of throwing away his wicket several times after working hard to lay a strong foundation. Now see here, batsman is feeling bad about himself that he is being out by throwing away his wickets. His critics pointed out that until he addressed his problem, success at the highest level will continue to elude him. Elude him means what do you think? Will not get, or distance away. Distance away is the meaning. Now, which statements below are logically valid and can be inferred from the above passage? Now, how we can infer? He was already a successful batsman at the highest level. No, it cannot be inferred. See the given there. The passage itself saying that he is not success at the highest level, so one cannot be inferred. He has to improve his temperament in order to become a great batsman. Yes, this is given in the passage. Next, second, he failed to make many of his good starts count. Yes, see here, he was guilty of throwing away his wicket several times after working hard to lay a strong foundation. Yes, third one is also correct. Now, fourth one, improving his technical skills will guarantee his success. See here, will. Will is a word which ensures 100% guarantee. Can you give 100% guarantee of his technical skills? When you improve his technical skills, nobody can give. If it is shall, then that statement might be correct. Will, nobody can 100% confirm. Anything can be happened. Now what are the two inferred ones? 2 and 3. This is the way to read the passage, right? Got the thing? Right. Next one, Alexander turned his attention towards India since he had conquered Persia. Right, since he had conquered Persia, the next target is India, it seems. Which one of the statements below is logically valid and can be inferred from the above statement? Alexander would not have turned his attention towards India had he not conquered Persia. Is it given in the statement? See here, you have to take the points that were given in the statement only. You cannot assume by your own self. That is the first valid point. This is not given in the statement and you cannot infer that. Alexander would not have turned was not ready to rest on his laurels and wanted to march to India. That is not given in the statement. These are assumables, right? Alexander was completely in control of his army and could command its move. No, we don't know about the India's war equipment and also the army content. This is not given in the statement. Since Alexander kingdom extended to Indian borders after the conquest of Persia, he was keen to move further. This is the thing, right? Persia, right? Borders to India. See, before that, in the place of Alexander, it is great India, right? Up to Afghanistan, it is Indian borders only. Now, this can be inferred for sure. Next, which of the following options is closest in the meaning to the sentence below? As a woman, I have now country. As a woman, I have no country. The statement given. What, women have no country? No, this is blunder. You cannot infer like this. Women and not citizens. No, how can you infer like this, right? Blunder. Women's solidarity. Solidarity means uniqueness and boldness. Uniqueness and boldness. Have no national boundaries is the correct one which can be inferred. National boundary means have no country. Women of all countries have equal legal rights. That is not given in the question itself about the legal contents. Okay, next one. Next, read the following passage and answer the questions based on it. Now see here, see the passage. Work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. See here, observe the stress words here. The general recognition of this fact is shown in the verbal phrase, it is the busiest man who has time to spare. It is the busiest man who has time to spare. Thus, an elderly lady at leisure can spend the entire day writing a postcard to her niece. An hour will be spent in finding the postcard, another hunting for spectacles, half an hour to search for the address, an hour and a quarter in composition, and 20 minutes in deciding whether or not to take an umbrella when going to the pillar box in the street, right? The total effort would occupy a busy man for 3 minutes. For leisure man, it takes more minutes. All told, may in this fashion leave another person completely exhausted after a day of doubt, anxiety, and toil. See here, toiling, anxiety, doubt. So these are the three expressions, right? How can a person take such time for such small quantity is the expressions given by a busy person, right? Now, right, what happens when the time to be spent on some work increases? What happens when the time to be spent on some work increases, the question asked. See here, first find out the elimination. The work done is smoothly, is it given in the passage? No, wrong. The work needs additional time. Do they say that postcard writing takes additional time? No. And not about any work. The work is done leisurely, right? The work is done leisurely. No. See here, there are two types of persons. One is doing it fast pace of 2 minutes and one is doing leisurely taking hours of time. So this cannot be happen. The work consumes all the time. For a leisure person, the work consumes all the time. For a speedy person, it takes less time and he focuses on other work. That is the question, right? 3 is correct. Explain the sentence, work expands so as to fill the time available for its completion. See, this is simple inference. The statement is made right in the beginning of the passage, right? This is made beginning in the right of the passage, and the story of the lady illustrates that, it gives that whatever the time is available for work, people tend to use all of it, right? She is leisure and she has more time, so in order to uh, pass that time, she is doing that work leisurely. Is that the thing given in the question, right? See here, the more time where is to be done, the more the time needed That is not given in the question, right, in the passage. Whatever time is available for a given amount of work, all of it will be used. This is the thing, right? So a busy person has only 3 minutes, so he completes in 3 minutes. A leisure woman has hours of time, she completes in that hours. That is the thing given in the question, right? C is a purely abrogatory. See, if you have more time, you can do more work. That is not the thing, right? If you have some important work to do, you should always have some additional time. No, no, that is not given in the passage. If you can observe the passage, right? Who is the person likely to take more time to work, right? See here, a busy man? No. A man of leisure? Certainly a man of leisure take more time to do work. That is given in the passage. What is the total time spent by an elderly lady in writing the passage? 3 minutes, 4 hours and 5 minutes, half an hour. See, count all the minutes, it becomes a full day, right? So answer will be full day. What does expression pillar box stands for? Right, pillar box is nothing but letter box, right? See here, a pillar type post box, right? In order to post a letter, she need a post box, and that pillar box is nothing but post box. Right. Next one. Next, how can we infer, right? Throughout the ages, the businessman has helped build civilizations, great cities, gave people with luxuries, and artists with patronage, and lift his fellow citizens to understand the standard of living. Yes. In the last few centuries, the businessman has seeded the industrial revolution around the world. The paragraph best supports the statement that the businessman, right? What is the best statement that supports the paragraph? Is accountable to the society? No. Is he accountable to the society? Is he responsible for the society? No, that is not. Is the beneficiary? No, that is not given. He has seeded, right? He has seeded only, so that will be not beneficiary. He contributed to the growth of civilization, has, is very correct. Is capable of rising, is capable of rising. So that person is not the only one to capable, he is a part of that, right? Has contributed is the best thing, contributed is the best thing to show the thing. Lives a luxurious and comfortable life, right? That is not the best inference. Okay. Next, through advertising, manufacturers exercise a high degree of control over consumers' desires. However, the manufacturer assumes enormous risks in attempting to predict what consumers will want and in producing goods in quantity and distributing them in advance of the final selection by the consumers. The paragraph best supports the statement that manufacturers, 3 here, can eliminate the risk of overproduction by advertising is the one given. Through advertising, see here the first sentence of the paragraph. See, through advertising, manufacturers exercise a high degree of control over consumers' desires, assumes enormous risks in attempting to predict what consumers will want, and in producing goods in quantity and distributing them. What, distribute goods directly to the consumer? Is this given in the passage? No. Can predict with great accuracy. See here, if he predict what why will be this enormous risks? So C is not there. Must depend finally upon the consumers to success of their undertakings. No, that is not completely by undertaking, it's based on the quality also. Always take, see, business is nothing but risk, so this is not best supported. So A can eliminate the risk of overproduction by advertising is the best thing. See here, if consumer doesn't need it, he never produces it, right? That's the best. The consumption of harmful drugs by the people can be prevented not only by banning their sale in the market but also by instructing users about their dangerous effects, which they must understand for their safety. Also, the drug addicts may be provided with neat medical facilities for their rehabilitation. This will help in scaling down the use of drugs. So what is the thing given there? Drug addicts may be provided with proper medical facilities for their rehabilitation will help to scaling down the usage of drugs, it seems. The paragraph best supports the statement that consumption of harmful drugs can be eliminated with the banning of their sale. See, this is completely helpful. Maybe channelized through a proper system, right? That is not the best one. It is a thing, but it's not the best. Or on an increase in the society, no, that is completely opposite. Or due to lack of medical, see, these two are opposite statements. Can always be reduced. If it can always be reduced, then this will not happen. Now, B is the correct one. Can be eliminated is the best one that supports. The virtue of art is that it does not allow the work to be interfered with or immediately ruled by anything other than itself. The virtue of art is that it does not allow to be interfered with or immediately ruled. Yes, immediately ruled by anything other than itself. It insists that it alone shall touch the work in order to bring it to being. Art requires that nobody shall attain the work except through art itself. Right? Virtue means behaving in a high moral way. Virtue means behaving in a high moral way. High moral way. Behaving in a high moral way. Right. Next. The paragraph best supports the states that art is for sake of art and life. No. Art requires that nobody shall attain the work except through art itself. See here. This statement alone will help you to know the best thing. Art is for the sake of art alone is the answer. The artist should use his art for the sake of society. Art is governed by external rules and conditions is wrong one. Okay. Now the artist realizes his dreams through the artistic creation. See here, the last statement will be helpful, right? So again, every sentence of the passage is explaining about only itself, right? Right. Now, rearrange the following sentences A, B, C, D, E, and F in the sequence to form a meaningful paragraph. Then answer the questions that follow them. So you have to rearrange the sentences. See the first one. The press is often called the fourth estate, it seems. With enough freedom, it can mold public opinion and express it freely. And express it freely. Express it freely. It requires freedom so that it may act its part effectively. It plays a very important role in democracy. The next one. A censored press cannot perform all these functions effectively. We are happy that Indian press has enough opportunity to play its role well. Now, you have to frame the sentences into a complete paragraph. See there, statement A is the opening statement. See here, as it introduces us to the topic, the press and its other name. Now, so the first statement is A. And see here, statement D is followed to A. It plays a very important role in the democracy. Which is it? The press, right? D will be the second statement, right? And statement C, see here, it requires freedom. Statement C follows D as it gives what is needed for it to play the role, right? What is it needed? Freedom is required to play its role effectively. Now C is the next statement. And see here, and B which says that it can do with enough freedom. If it is given freedom, with enough freedom, when it is given enough freedom, it can mold public opinion and can express it, right? Next next what will be the next statement? E tells us a censored press cannot perform all these functions effectively. When the press is pressed, I mean, by due to political pressures, it cannot perform. So E is the next one. So automatically we are happy that conclusion, what is the conclusion? Concludes that we are happy that Indian press has enough opportunity to play its role well, is the given thing, right? Okay, now this is the pattern of the paragraph. Which of the following will be the first sentence of the paragraph? A. Now A, D, C, B, E, F, right? Which of the following will be last? F will be the last, right? A, D, C, B, E, F, right? Which will be the last? Last is A, D, C, B, E, F. Last is A, F. Next, third sentence, A, D, C. See the third sentence, right? See here, this is the one. Next, second sentence, D is the second one. We have seen this. Which of the following will be the fourth sentence? See here, the pattern is A, D, C, B. B is the fourth sentence, right? Right. Now, choose the things. Sentence is divided into four parts. Now you have to find out sentence is divided into four parts: A, B, C and D. Choose the part that contains error, it seems. So again a sprinkler, find out the wrong part. She is senior than me. See, blunder, we have seen many sentences. See, it's not comparing, it's about saying that you are hierarchical. Dan is wrong, 2 is correct, right? She is senior to me in service is correct one. Now, which I fail to understand why she deliberately absented. See here, absented is not the correct word. Deliberately means knowingly. Knowingly absentee is called absconded. Absconded from the meeting is the correct one, right? Next, sentence is divided into four parts. Choose the part that contains error. They are watching the river every day. See here, this is a daily affair. You must not use continuous tense, right? They watch. They watch is the correct one. I think everybody can answer this, right? Next one. Choose the most appropriate alternative from the uh, given below to complete the following sentences. Okay, next, frequent cleansing with water puts a severe strain on the making of antiseptic and protective oils by the skin glands, and to some extent it is bound to make the body surface more susceptible, means susceptible means prone to disease. Choose the answer key corresponding near, most near. Sprinkler, see, acquaint, what do you mean by acquaint? Make someone familiar. Acquaintance, make someone familiar. You have to acquaintain yourself to the video lectures. Make someone familiar. Now, what is the closest word? Right? Revealing, right? Revealing is the closest to intelligent. Hail, attain is obtaining. Right. Choose the word corresponding most nearly similar to word solicitous. Solicitous means showing interest. Now everybody can answer, I think so. Showing interest, this is nothing but humble, right? Sorry, it's not humble, right? Showing interest means concerned. He is concerned to others, right? He's concerned to the society, right? Choose the most appropriate alternative. I suggest, I suggest dash apply for the job. I suggest that you, right? That you means he is referring them immediately, that you have to apply for the job, that you apply for the job is correct. The magnificent monument has now been restored to its original, not back to its original state, to its original state. Already it is given their original state. Now two is enough, right? Choose the most. The six friends were conversing excitedly with one another, right? One another is the correct, not each other, one another, right? Each other means only two friends will be there, right? Right. Thank you.